tag team match in this one, guys. This one will be fought under elimination rules.
Yeah, you don't want to be the one to let your partner down by getting a
domination. She's able to kick out before the refs count.
Trying to get this over with pronto.
No DQ means no mercy.
That's the whole point. This is a chance for these superstars to show us just how violent they can be.
Break of the eyes.
If you ain't cheating, you ain't trying.
Just going all out with every blow. Lights out here.
No, maybe not.
And he gets the shoulder up.
He might just be...
Double knees.
She's really starting to feel the effects of
Ripcord. Lariat. Vicious arm style. Big stomp. And now with complete face first. Shoulders down.
digging deep. Kick out.
Getting that shoulder up now is...
And here we go.
Slam. Night-night.
Into the cover.
vulnerability.
This arena has come unglued. You can feel the foot of the cover. Cover. Is it enough? This could do it. This could do it. She breaks the ref's count, Byron. His body is showing the effects of this match.
A tag match like this is a test of endurance in every aspect of the role.
That should do it. Oh, a slam that. Oh my God, what a kick. She's going for it. The cover. Kick out at two.
Her perseverance is unreal.
Preserving her opportunity to keep this match alive.
That is fire. Shoulders down.
Something. Slam.
Down.
That's got to be the end. And she heads out to the floor. Obviously was in need of a breather.
The universe is showing their appreciation for the action they're seeing.
It has been an absolute war out there. These super...
Oh, that's the big move she needed.
It's just a picture back to the line. And a slap.
Will it be?
And that's elimination. Into a counter.
And all that's left is one.
Oh, God. Oh, he saw it coming. Spear.
It's now his for the taking.
Cover. Two. He's still in this fight. I don't want to see it.
She'll be able to...
Maybe not. Maybe not. She breaks the ref's count.
Sure, that was it.
Sidewalk slam. Through the air. And connects.
Why are they coming over?
Lots of space and concrete, that's why.
Deep into the match. She's staying aggressive.
Lift off! All the way to the...
Man took that crucial leap of faith, and no one was there.
Oh.
It's coming next.
Taking their time.
Two shots. Man, that's it. Shut the door. It's over. Oh, no.
Take a trip. Good, great, grand uppercut. Was looking for him.
Into the cover.
Oh, he makes the biggest... Oh, catapulted down on the opponent.
Is it enough? The cover. Two. Being eliminated like that is never in the... Ow. Bam.
Good, great, grand uppercut. Now think up into the torture rack. Oh, feet. There's no coming back
There's
from
the
that.
cover. That's it.
Been eliminated.
Dick. And the official calls it. Clearly, they cannot fight any longer.
Here are your winners, Hannah and Nate's Rude Tom.
That that's your winner, folks, outlasting all other superstars in this match.